These brownies literally have only 2 ingredients and are so easy to make, so let's get baking. We are going to start by making a double boiler. So into a medium-sized pot, we are going to fill it with 1 or 2 inches of water. Bring the water to a simmer over medium heat and then add 10 ounces of chocolate to the top bowl. For this recipe, I am using dark chocolate. If you would like to use milk chocolate, just substitute it with the same measurements and enjoy the milky taste. Mix the chocolate together frequently until smooth and silky. Now, for our second ingredient, we are going to use 4 eggs. So grab 4 large eggs and crack them into a bowl. We are then going to separate the white from the yolk. If you enjoy making recipes with only 2 ingredients, like this one, then now would be a great time for you to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos. Once all 4 yolks have been separated, we are going to slowly, one at a time, add a yolk to our melted chocolate and mix it in. It's going to slowly get thicker with the addition of each egg, so using a metal fork to mix it would be very helpful. Make sure your chocolate is not too hot so it does not cook the egg yolks. Yet, make sure it's still warm enough that it can easily mix together. Next, in a small bowl, we are going to whip our egg whites together until they have reached stiff peaks. Remember, if you are on Team Chocolate, to leave a like on this video in order to silence all the cinnamon lovers. And if you are somehow on Team Cinnamon, make sure to let me know in the comments below. Slowly fold in 1/3 of your egg whites at a time into the chocolate mixture. Make sure to use a spatula as a whisk will deflate all the air in the egg whites. Then in a greased 9 by 9 inch square pan, we are going to pour our brownie batter in. Next we are going to bake it at 325 degrees for 30 minutes or until a toothpick or knife comes out cleanly. If you would like to add an additional 3rd ingredient, confectionery sugar would be a great addition. Dust the top slightly, cut it up, and enjoy. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you would probably enjoy the video that just popped up on the left side of your screen. Enjoy!